Some information that's coming in. 5 Pakistani balloons have been spotted in Fatehpur in Pathankot. Now these balloons with Pakistani flags were found in Pathankot. They also apparently have Muhammad Ali Jinnah's picture on them. Security agencies are investigating the balloons and the flags. Joining me now is Manjeet Sehgal. Manjeet, take us through where were these balloons spotted and what is happening at the moment?
Well, Smita, 5 Pakistani balloons were recovered in Fatehpur village on the Indo-Pak border in Pathankot district. The balloons contained Pakistani flags and Muhammad Ali Jinnah's photos printed on them. The police have taken the balloons into custody and initiated investigation. Well, Smita, this is not the first time that mysterious balloons have been found in Punjab with Pak flag image. Earlier on July 4, 2016, also a mysterious balloon with an image of Pakistani flag was also found in Dinanagar. The balloon was found by a farmer in his fields with "I love Pakistan" written on it. So balloons were also earlier found in Chamba and Kangra areas of Himachal Pradesh. Security agencies have taken these balloons into their position and are investigating. But sources also told us that these balloons are released whenever there is an important event in Pakistan. It was Independence Day yesterday. So these balloons are usually released in the air, and the air are flown towards Indian side. So agencies now at one hand are investigating, but have also asked people not to worry, as this may be the work of the air.
Okay, my mischief makers seem to be at work there in Pathankot with those balloons featuring Pakistani flags and Muhammad Ali Jinnah's photos, which are now being investigated by security agencies. Manjeet Sehgal getting us up to speed.